You're sitting there, minding your own business, and then hic! But why does that happen? Let's dive in. Hiccups aren't just random. There's a real reason your body decides to surprise you with a hic. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts, causing air to rush into your lungs in an unexpected way. Some scientists believe hiccups may be your body's way of resetting the breathing system, kind of like when your phone freezes and you reboot it. So next time you're hiccuping non-stop, just know it's your body's quirky way of trying to get back to normal.